Imagine this. You're brushing your hair, and suddenly one strand feels different, thicker, stronger. You pause, curious and a bit concerned. You pull the strand closer to inspect it, and it feels almost alive, pulsating with energy. You wonder if it's just your imagination, but then, something extraordinary happens. Before your eyes it starts growing fast. Faster than any hair should. It's like watching a plant grow in a time-lapse video. But this is real, and it's happening right now. The strand extends, inch by inch, defying all logic and reason. This isn't just any hair, it's absorbing all the growth potential of every other hair on your head. You can feel a slight tingling sensation as if the energy from your scalp is being funneled into this one super strand. What would happen if this continued? Would it take over your entire head? This single super hair, fueled by the combined power of thousands, presents a fascinating what-if scenario. Imagine the possibilities: a single strand with the strength of steel, the shine of polished glass, and the resilience of the toughest material known to man. But with great power comes great responsibility. Would it be a blessing or a curse? On one hand, you have a hair that could potentially be indestructible, a marvel of nature. On the other hand, what if it continued to grow uncontrollably? What if it overshadowed all your other hair, leaving you with a single, dominant strand? Let's dive into the science and explore the possibilities. How could such a phenomenon occur? What biological mechanisms would need to be in place for a single hair to absorb the growth potential of all others? Join us as we unravel the mystery behind this hairy situation and discover the incredible science that could make it possible. The average human head has about 100,000 hairs. Each hair grows roughly 0.4 millimeters per day. Now multiply that by 100,000. The result? Your single super hair would sprout a whopping 40 meters every single day. That's taller than a 10-story building. Talk about a bad hair day. Here's where things get tricky. Could your scalp even support such rapid growth? The answer is likely no. The sheer weight and pressure of a 40-meter hair emerging from your scalp each day would be immense. And what about nutrients? Hair growth requires a significant amount of protein and other building blocks. Diverting all those resources to a single strand would be a logistical nightmare for your body. Section 4. Braiding the impossibly strong strand. A thought experiment. Let's ignore the biological impossibilities for a moment and entertain the thought. Imagine if you could grow a single strand of hair that was impossibly strong. What would that mean for you? How would it change the way you interact with the world around you? If your super hair could grow to its full potential, would it be incredibly strong? Picture it growing at an accelerated rate, reaching lengths and strengths that defy our current understanding of biology and physics. After all, it's fueled by the power of 100,000 hairs. Each individual hair on your head contributes to the overall strength, creating a combined force that is truly remarkable. This is where physics gets weird. The concept of a single super hair challenges our understanding of material strength and elasticity. Hair strength doesn't scale linearly. The relationship between the thickness of a hair strand and its strength is complex and nonlinear. While a single super hair might be slightly stronger than a normal one, it wouldn't be strong enough to swing from buildings or lift heavy objects. The idea of using hair as a tool for superhuman feats remains firmly in the realm of science fiction, but it's a fascinating thought experiment that pushes the boundaries of our imagination and understanding of the natural world. Section 5. What if we leave it to the experts? This brings us to the heart of what-if scenarios. They spark our curiosity, challenge our assumptions, and lead us down fascinating paths of scientific inquiry. What do you think about this super hair hypothesis? Would the math hold up in reality? Share your thoughts and let's unravel this hairy situation together. Section 6. A sigh of relief. Normal hair, not a hair-raising experience. In the end, maybe it's a good thing our hair grows normally. Think about it. Our hair grows at a rate that is manageable, allowing us to style it, cut it, and care for it without too much hassle. It's a part of our daily routine that we often take for granted. Imagine the chaos of dealing with a 40-meter strand every single day. The sheer weight and volume would be overwhelming. You'd need special tools just to manage it, and everyday activities like washing and drying your hair would become monumental tasks. This thought experiment reminds us to appreciate the wonders of our bodies, even in their seemingly mundane functions. Our bodies are designed in such a way that everything works in harmony, from the growth of our hair to the beating of our hearts. Who knows what other strange and intriguing questions lie hidden within the ordinary? The more we ponder these what-ifs, the more we realize how fascinating our everyday lives truly are. Each small detail has a purpose and contributes to the overall balance of our existence. Keep asking those what-ifs, the answers might surprise you. Curiosity leads to discovery, and discovery leads to a deeper understanding of the world around us. So next time you look in the mirror and see your hair, remember to appreciate the simplicity and complexity of its normal growth.